Having a robot to mow your lawn is an impressive idea. But you may ask yourself, can it handle my lawn? To answer that question, we invented an entirely new sport, complex lawn tennis, and it requires perfectly cut grass. Then we got together a team of experts who built a tennis court on top of a really complex garden.
But, you know, we're going to play a tennis match here. It's going to be some problems hitting the ball when it's bouncing not as perfect.
Yeah.
Total different challenge than any player had played before.
Come sunshine, come rain, the Husqvarna Automower navigated itself smoothly and easily through narrow passages, up and down 45% slopes, and around permanent obstacles like flower beds, just as it should. But to make the ultimate test and decide once and for all whether the Husqvarna Automower had trimmed the grass perfectly, we invited two former professional tennis players to play the world's first complex lawn tennis match.
On the left, we have Magnus Gustafsson, and to the right, it's Joachim Pimpim Johansson.
15 love.
Can't be serious. Way out.
Unlike our players, the Husqvarna Automower handled this complex lawn without difficulty and delivered a perfect result. But can it handle your lawn? Find out at Husqvarna.com.